see. I was born to be free. Oh, I can feel